Hero training. Play. Choose a hero. Catboy. Gekko. Look carefully around the scene and see if you can spot Gekko in camouflage. 3, 2, 1, go!
Super Gekko camouflage! Cool chameleons! Whoa! Cool chameleons! Awesome! Cool chameleons! Awesome! Oh. Awesome! Cool chameleons! Oh. Awesome! Cool chameleons! Whoa! Oh.
Time's up! Well done, heroes! You did a great job! Choose a hero! Catboy! Help Catboy avoid getting wet by moving him left and right. 3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa!
Well done!
Super cat speed! Oh, yeah! Whoa!
Great job! Catboy is doing so well! Great job!
Getting wet.
Well done! Great job! Time's up! Well done, heroes! You did a great job! Help choose a hero! Owlette! Help Owlette avoid the trees by flying her up and down. 3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa! Woohoo! Whoa!
Well done!
Super owl wings!
Time's up! Well done, heroes! You did a great job! Help choose a hero!
The PJ Masks!
Nighttime Ninjalinos! Play! Play! Play!
You don't know, but you'll be told. Ninjalino should be big and bold. Night Ninja! His Ninjalinos have got all the sports gear.
Choose a level. Easy. Night Ninja and his Ninjalinos have taken all the sports equipment from the school. Can you help get it back in time for sports day? Look, there's a Ninjalino. Can you catch him before he gets away? There's another one. Can you catch him? Well done, you got him. Now let's find some more. 3, 2, 1, go! That's it! Great job! That's it! Great job! That's it! Great job! Three, 2, 1, go! That's it! You got one! Great job! Well done, heroes! Try again. Choose a level. 3, 2, 1, go! That's it!
Oh, it's not fair! Huh?
Well done! Great job!
Huh?
Well done! You got one! That's it! 3, 2, 1, go! That's it! Well done!
Oh, it's not fair! Oh, it's not fair! Oh, it's not fair! Oh, huh?
You got one!
Oh, huh?
Great job!
Huh?
You got one! That's it! Three, 2, 1, go! That's it! You got one!
Oh, huh?
Great job! Well done! Great job! Well done! Well done, heroes!